So welcome again, and we're gonna be continuing. So now we're gonna find the median. I suppose you know how to do the median, but okay. If you're already in 6th grade or above, you should know this, a median. Median is just the center point of a data set. Suppose you have like a 1, 2, 3. Sorry, my handwriting is bad on the computer. You know how it is like. So for like the even number of numbers, like what I mean is that if the total the number of numbers are there and that number is even, then you're supposed to find a 2 in the middle. So then you actually find the average of these two. So if it is not like that, then you're going to, if it's like 1, 2, and then 3. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make sure that the centerpiece is just that it on both sides of the centerpiece is the same number of numbers. So here we have the center, but over here we can see that this and this are exact. So and there's no center for this one, so we're actually gonna find the average of these two and divide by the number of digits, that is 2. So here we're gonna do median 1. So now what we're gonna do is that we already defined each of these. I marked it as an average, but still we're gonna do median 1. It's just a number list of 5 plus 4 because so 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why I lost my count. So 5. So I can just delete that. There. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that's gonna be number list for 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're gonna do median 2 is equals to number list 5. Remember that this starts from 0, so this is gonna be number 5. And these two are the middle digits. So we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So like that. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to do, wait just a second, median is just equals to median 1 plus median 2. So remember we're supposed to put it in brackets because we're actually finding the average. So Python follows the BODMAS. If you don't know what the BODMAS is, I'm going to explain it. So let me tell you what BODMAS is. This BODMAS is just that it's just the number of steps. So here. So it's going to be first, we're going to do what is in the brackets. So if we don't put in the brackets, then you just have to follow the DMAS rule. So here we are using the brackets. So the brackets is the first step. Then the next step you do is division. Then you go to multiplication. Then you go to addition. I'm trying my best how to write this. Then you go to addition, and finally you go to subtraction. So that's how we do BODMAS. So Okay, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a bonus of how to do this with decimals. Remember, integer does not count as a minus 0.01. So yeah, float is used to store decimals. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna print median. Remember, this is not a string. We already defined what it is. So we can see that this is the median. And we're gonna print is the median. So there, now we can try that out. I'm gonna do the same experiment 0, 0, 0, 0. Oops. It gives us an error because I just left it empty. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0.0 is the median, is the average, and is the median too. So we're gonna run 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, it is correct. So it is executed. So here's the number 4 and number 5. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do it a little bit differently to focus on the median. So 1, 2, oops. I'm gonna run that again. I'm just gonna change 1, 1, 1, 1. Then we took 2, then 2, then 1, and 1, and 1, and 1. 1.2 is average, and as you can see, why is it giving 1.0? So we're gonna actually try a different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's see, number 5 plus number 6 is 11. Oh, yeah, that's correct. It is giving the correct answer. So you just gotta try it out some more times. So now we're gonna do the range. Okay, that's not the range we're talking about. Range already exists in Python, but it's not for that. It's for high in range. You see that from 1 to 0, 1 to 100. So that actually, so you gotta put a colon, then print I. You don't have to name it I, but you can use it. That's the most that's what most people do. So at the end, it's gonna support. I'm gonna pick some random numbers because we're not using that anymore. It's gonna give us an error because that is not an integer. 7. You see, it printed out from pretty much 1 to, it should print out to 99. Yeah, it printed out to 99. Yeah. So we're gonna delete that for right now. If you want, I can make some other Python tutorials, but we are not here for that. So now we're gonna do the range. 1 is actually equals to number list. The highest number is gonna be number, because we already sorted it out. So this is going to be number list. We're gonna do it 9. And range 2 is equals to number but 0. Now we're gonna, instead of putting this range, we're gonna, it's okay if you put range, and just put an equal to sign, but it's gonna show you an error. So what you can do is you can just leave it like that. You can put like a this the bottom with like I put, or put something else equals to range 1 minus range 2. So we don't have to put it in brackets. If you want, you can, but we don't have to because we're not dividing it by anything, because it's just gonna execute a subtraction. So oops. So we're gonna print range 1, and we're gonna print. Remember, you gotta put it in quotes. That's the range. And if you don't know what a range is, I'm gonna explain that right now. A range is just the highest number. Like if you have like 1 and 4, then 3 and 2, we're gonna actually subtract the lowest number over here, that's 1, and the highest number over here, that's 4. So the range must be equal to 3. So that was that. And now what we're gonna do is that we are gonna find the mean. Mean is just average. Just a second. It's just the average, but it's used as the formal name in the data set. Mean. That's the mean. So we can just print average, and then we can print this is the mean. That's it. That's the mean already. So we're gonna run that out. You can. So we're gonna check it out quickly. You can check it out and see if it works. If it doesn't, then try again. Bye.